Hello, adventurers! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Danny, where are we today?
We're at Gasoline Alley Classics
in Sapulpa, Oklahoma. Let's go adventuring! Soon after filming our intro, we were greeted by one of the coolest business owners along Route 66. Michael Jones is the owner of Gasoline Alley Classics, and we are so glad that we got to meet and chat with him on our visit. This is one adventure we'll definitely be talking about for a while.
So the truck has two different colored sides.
I did not notice that, no.
This was our first logo when I started the business in 1996.
Okay.
In the garage. So since it kind of has the turquoise look, I powder coated turquoise wheels.
I do love the turquoise.
So on the other side, I have Lady Luck registered and trademarked 4 different ways. So you'll see the Fat Boy Speed Shop logo on the other side.
Okay.
Red. That's why you see red on the other
Got it.
side. Then we're old school.
Oh, there it is. Look at
Jewelry box.
that. The jewelry box. Cool.
So the old firewall is an old
sweet.
drink roll crown cola sign. The firewall.
You got the little knob.
Oh, I love that.
Oh, that is cool. And then the red wheels.
So still drivable.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I pull it in and out every day. We just got our roadside attraction sign.
Okay,
2 weeks
so
ago.
built in 1917. Wow. Okay, so it's got a lot of history going
Yes, it
on.
does, and I got more I can tell you inside.
Oh my
Whoa.
goodness. Look at these. Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Michael, this is amazing. Wow.
1926. In 1917, the building was home to the Sapulpa Motor Company. The back room was used to assemble Model T cars and trucks, and the front was the showroom. There are 2 vintage photos of the Sapulpa Motor Company on display. One is of the building at night, and the other is of the building during the day. There are both a Model T car and Model T truck on display today, paying tribute to the history of the building. This is like being inside of an I Spy. There's something to see everywhere you look. I really like this.
Oh, I like the lights that look like fire coming out.
Yep. We got cars up there, oil cans.
I wasn't expecting like a whole. This is awesome.
So, we put our logo on the floor back here, put our names in here. We saved all the wood lab that came off the ceilings and the rafters in the building. We used Evan glued them together to make all the spindles going up the stairs.
All right, we're gonna take a peek at this amazing bathroom. I don't know what we're getting ourselves into.
Oh, whoa.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's like a radiator skeleton with a mirror in it.
Model A.
Oh, this is sweet.
I told my
This
wife.
is the tallest bathroom
Look at
I've
the
ever seen.
sink is a gas pump.
So
nozzle.
you turn your water on there, slide your car door handle to the right.
Okay.
Right side.
This.
Yep.
What?
Okay.
It's handicap accessible, so a wheelchair can go into there without any obstructions, so we're ADA compliant.
ADA, good.
My wife, a white toilet was going to stand out like a sore thumb, so I said I've got to make them look rusty and trusty.
Yeah. Oh, that is sweet.
Is it vinyl wrap?
Yes.
Okay. I was like, how did you do that?
And if anybody exceeds the weight limit of 10 tons, we got a hook up here we can put on their back roof.
Oh my god.
Lift you up.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh.
States are stained on the floor in here as well, on the floors.
Oh my gosh. You guys did
You
amazing.
thought of everything.
Look at this floor. And behind this door.
So we thought we was going to make a private restroom, but instead, when the inspector came over, he said, if you'll make it a public restroom, your occupancy numbers are higher for the building. So we did.
Okay, so we got.
This one, I always
Oh.
use my dad's wash tub for the sink, so I'm going to have you go over there and turn the water on at that white cold knob right there. There
Okay.
you go.
Okay, so it's like a,
Come towards me. Yep.
other way.
Wow.
That's awesome. Okay, that's so cool.
This is brilliant.
And you got a
Got on the
Coke refrigerator.
Coke and the red mobile gas. I put it just crisp and everything here.
Those bathrooms are wild and have actually ended up being featured in some magazines. Oh, this is a sweet view.
So this, now you can see everything you're looking at now.
Yeah.
Showing
Oh my-
looking up, now you see it from a different perspective.
You can make like an I Spy book.
There are little details all throughout the building, high and low. From the different items in the rafters down to the custom floor that maps out Route 66 and has a giant Route 66 logo.
That car right there is his desk.
Gasoline Alley Classics has a special feeling that can almost be described as magical. If you are a fan of classic cars, hot rods, Route 66, or even just a great conversation, this is definitely a stop to add to your list. Adventurers! We just finished our time here at Gasoline Alley Classics in Sapulpa, Oklahoma.
And we had the best time. Highly suggest that you come here and talk to Michael because he will talk about the history of this place and it's just so cool. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can find a new video every single Friday, and head over to Facebook and Instagram and follow us there as well.
We'll see you on our next adventure!